Welcome back to News Desk. Thank you so much for staying with us this afternoon. I'm here to update you on matters business, and we start with a rice scandal, or a looming rice scandal. The High Court in Kisumu has issued a 7-day ultimatum to top government officials, ordering them to fully open the controversial duty-free rice importation scheme to public scrutiny. Honorable Justice Alfred Mabea has labeled the case as urgent, saying that the state must account for every single grain allowed into the country under a recent multi-ton waiver. The legal battle was triggered by a petition from the Ahero Rice Farmers Association. They present thousands of local producers who argue that an unchecked creative influx of cheap foreign imports is flooding the market and disrupting local farm gate prices. While the farmers state they are not trying to stop imports that help with national food security, they demand absolute transparency. The National Treasury, Ministry of Agriculture, KRA, and the Agriculture Food Authority must now expose who is importing, how much has already cleared customs, and exactly what criteria were used to hand out these lucrative tax exemptions. If the state fails to comply with these transparency orders within 7 days, the court has threatened a conditional conservatory order to suspend the entire duty-free program. The defendants are expected to serve their responses before the case returns to court for further directions in July 20th. Now, in efforts to expand trade in